Hey everyone, I'm Alex Berman, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how to upsell and make more money. Stick around. Upselling to current customers is the fastest way to increase your revenue. I talk to coaching clients all the time that want a quick win. And back when I talked to coaching clients, I don't do this anymore. When I used to talk to coaching clients, I would tell them to email their current customers. And actually, one of our clients, Shrek, not that Shrek, not the green Shrek, Alex Shrek, ran a Magento development agency. He ran sales for that agency, and we wanted a quick win. So we decided to go out to his current clients and email them a web design offer. He sent 4 emails, and he ended up making $100,000. That is the power of upselling your current clients. Upselling to current customers is the best way to make more money now. The customers already trust you, they've already paid you, and you can skip most of the sales development process by just going with current customers. So upselling is a great way to make more money immediately for your service. With that being said, when should you upsell? Well, if your company has under-delivered on the last promise, make sure you deliver on that promise before you ask for an upsell. I'll tell you, there's some times to ask for an upsell, and one of the worst times is when you're underperforming for the client. So make sure if you're not doing what's promised, that you're hitting your numbers, etc., before you go in for the upsell. If you have delivered on the last promise, then you want to find a period of max hype. The 3 periods of max hype are right before a deal is signed, the client's hyped up, they just signed the deal, and now upsell them on something else. Right after a deal is signed, so they just signed the contract, they're so hyped to work together, ask them for something else. And right after a major win, you guys just won on something together, they're so hyped up, ask for the upsell. By identifying those periods of maximum hype, you can ask for an upsell in the easiest way possible. And if you want those specific scripts, by the way, for how to ask for an upsell, go into salesmanX, because we have all sorts of scripts that you can use right now to start upselling your clients immediately. But I will leave you with some homework on this YouTube video. Think about your current projects, your current clients, and think about where the period of max hype is for those clients. Who's really excited? What deals are about to close that you can upsell? What deals have just closed? Who's the most excited and pumped about working with you? And how can you ask for more money from that client? So with that being said, let's talk about how to pitch for the upsell. First thing you want to do is summarize what you've already achieved. Say something like, hey, we're really killing it on the Anderson project, right? Or hey, we're really killing it with the Facebook ads, right? Then you lean into that excitement. If they agree with you, then you know they're ready for the next section of the ask. Well, now that we've done Facebook ads, I would recommend we start doing YouTube ads as well. Well, now that we've built this great website, I would recommend we add social media management as well. Then the next logical thing is the client might ask, what kind of results or what have you achieved there? And then you back it up with step 3, which is explain the potential results. Well, a lot of people in the industry are crushing it with YouTube ads. In fact, one of our last clients is generating 10 sales a month. Let's get this going. And then step 4 is go for the close. You notice I asked that closing question. I said, let's get going. Now they'll say, okay, let's do it. And then you will say, all right, let's add it to the contract. Facebook ads management is there. YouTube ads management's another $4K a month. Let's lock it in. Then they'll say, okay, and you're good. You're closed. If you want to learn the multi-million-dollar secrets of a top agency salesperson, then check out salesmanX. You can do that at salesmanx.com and start crushing your quota today. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.